Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. We have a mixed grain trade overnight with nearby beans up, corn up a little bit, wheat down a little bit. Outside markets, the dollar stronger. Some European economic data came out a little bit worse than some people had thought. And China's economic data also suggests their economy remains slow. In the grains, I think the beans bounced off of yesterday's losses going into the monthly crush data is supposed to come out, showing a little bit higher crush demand for beans than what the market maybe can afford given the tight U.S. oat crop supply situation. Over in the corn, 59% of the corn crop is planted. That's pretty close to average. Farmers caught up last week, especially in the central Midwest. We still have about 28 million corn acres up in the north and northwest that hasn't been planted yet, and we'll see how fast that corn gets planted. The USDA individual states in the south rated the corn crop on an average about 65% good to excellent versus 62, 63 last week, and last year it was almost 49 to 50%. So the southern corn crop is off to a good start. There's about 21% of the U.S. Soybean crop planted versus that 21% average, so things are good there. The USDA did drop the winter wheat crop ratings another 1 percentage points, and the spring wheat crop is still being planted behind average. Overall, I think the market's looking at, as far as beans are concerned, trying to figure out still the old crop situation versus the new crop being overpriced, given a normal U.S. and world crop in 2014. Corn is now up to the weatherman. The 6 to 10 days shows normal to above temps, normal to below precip across most of the Midwest, which should help finish corn planting. 8 to 14 day is about the same with normal to above temps, but we've got rainfall maybe normal in the north, but drier than normal in the south. So we'll start watching all the guesstimates with the summer forecast, but right now most people think from an El Nino standpoint, if it's a strong one, it'll keep temperatures from getting too hot across the Midwest. Rainfall will be about normal with just a few pockets of dryness here and there. As far as anything else, I think we'll be watching the demand side of things. USDA did lower next year's demand estimates and raised world carryouts, which offers some resistance to the marketplace. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. And have a safe and profitable trading day.
She was at the football game last night. UVA.